Hello everyone, this is Pranka and welcome back to my channel. Today I have again come with a special announcement for all of you for the weekend class, which is again on Saturday and Sunday at 5:30 p.m. in an academy. On Saturday I'll be taking up a session on what are the mistakes you should avoid while preparing for your exam and during your exam. You see, every mark is important when you are in your CA profession, and you just cannot afford to do any mistake when you prepare for your exams and on the exam day. So I'll share all the mistakes which students make and which you need to avoid to score good marks. And on Sunday I'll be taking a session on how to score good marks in theory subjects. As we know, all the students are very much comfortable to score good marks and high scores in practical subjects, but in theory they lag behind. So what are the reasons why we score low marks in theory subjects? I'll discuss everything so that you ace on it and you score good marks in theory subjects as well. So students, do share it with your friends and set the reminder today itself on Saturday and Sunday 5:30 p.m. What are the mistakes you need to avoid while preparing and during your exam, and why do we score low marks in theory subjects, and how to score good marks in theory subjects. So students, I've got some good news for all of you. Unacademy is starting the new batch Avengers for the students who are going to give their exams in November 21 and May 22 for CA Foundation. It has started on 23rd June, but you can still enroll yourself for the batches. Use my code to get 10% discount. You just can't miss to join their batches because it has got amazing top-notch educators who will guide you throughout your journey. You'll be able to ace your accounting, learn all the concepts of economics, practice mathematics with the educator, learn the concepts nicely of law, and practice BCR with the teachers. So basically I've got amazing teachers, educators on your way. All you need to do is to get a perfect plan for yourself with their guidance, which will help you to clear CA Foundation and enter CA Intermediate very soon. You can start your batch now. In August you will be able to practice MTPs and RTPs. In that way you'll be able to assess yourself. You'll get a quick revision notes from the educators and one-day revision marathon for all the subjects as well. That is a complete guide for all of you to clear CA Foundation in one go. Their subscription is much more than the classes. You'll get live interactive classes, proper recorded lectures with unlimited watch time, access to all the notes of the educators. In fact, there'll be doubt session, updated study material and mock test papers. You'll be able to practice to assess yourself time to time. Then what are you waiting for, students? You just need to subscribe yourself and enroll yourself for all the batches today itself. You must be thinking what we need to do. You just need to take Unacademy subscription by downloading the Unacademy Learning app and select your goal as CA Foundation. Click on subscription. There will be two options you'll be provided with. Once you enroll yourself, your CA Foundation notes in your hand. Crisp notes, colorful notes, animated, and full of highlighted important points which you need to use in your answers when you give your exams. So basically, two types of subscriptions are available. One is Plus subscription and one is Iconic subscription. In Plus subscription, you have 24 months, 12 months and 6 months plan. You can choose accordingly and avail 10% discount using my code. If you take 12 month subscription, 2 months will be absolutely free for you all. In fact, you can go for combo subscription also, which pertains to CA Foundation and CA Intermediate level both, 12 months and 24 months. So you can choose wisely according to your requirement. Then there is Iconic subscription benefits. There you get personal coaching all the time. If you have any problem, demotivation, and you want to motivate yourself, you can take the guidance from the personal coach. Books will be available to you. Industry expert sessions will be given to you. Your learning progress and your assessment will be done monthly basis. There are many plus benefits as well. So enroll yourself for Iconic batch if you need a personal care with your studies. For CA Foundation, there are again 3 plans, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. And for the combo plan, CA Foundation and Intermediate, there are 2 options, 24 months and 12 months. So there are many options available with you all. Accordingly, you can choose wisely what you need, what is your requirement, and enroll yourself for the batch in Unacademy. So students, I'm very much excited to have an interactive session soon this Saturday and Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Do join. I'll be waiting for you all. See you soon.